All right, this one is kind of hard to explain, but anybody who's done installs will quickly understand this. So you can see the cable runs over here. Unfortunately, what that means is you can't really mount anything here that's going to go past that point. So if I wanted to mount my switch here and the back of the switch extends back here, these cables are going to hit it. So now I got two options. One, obviously go lower, but number two, I can try to reposition these cables higher and move the Velcro straps up. And hopefully we've got enough slack to do that. But that's a very, very common mistake I see all the time. The people who pull the cable just leave it here thinking it's fine, but it's not. It's literally like less than an inch from the back of the unit, which means everything from there to here, right? That whole top part now means you can't have anything that extends past that part here. And a lot of equipment that come with ears will hit that, so you can't install it. You can probably put a shelf, but still it's something to look out for.